Another project accomplished. Here's what I did. I mounted this 5" by 5" PVC fence post sleeve, about 7.5 foot long, underneath the bottom of the toy hauler here. It actually is mounted underneath my freshwater tank. And here's how it works. This is where I keep my sewer hose. So all I got to do is pull that up. Pull that out. Now I have a place to store it. It should dry itself out rather than being in this tote with a lid on it and holding moisture and starting to stink and all that. It's one less thing that has to go inside the toy hauler. So now it's underneath. I pull it out, I pick this end up, I hook it up over here. When I'm done, I flush it out, I put it back in here and grab a hold of this. Push it in. Just like that. Should last a long time.